today we're reviewing the Harbor Freight wire connectors. So these are very similar to what's called a WAGO connector, and this is the first time I've seen them in Harbor Freight, and I had to get these just because the price on them was exceptional when you compare them to a WAGO connector. So WAGO is another brand name of these, and these are just the generic version that Harbor Freight has. Now, these will connect everything from 24 gauge to 10 gauge solid wire, or 24 gauge to 12 gauge strand wire. And you can see what these are rated for. Works in a junction box, max voltage 600 volts, operating temperature 221 degrees, wire strip length 14 millimeters, and then it includes 10 2-port, 10 3-port, and 5 5-port. So I've gotten these as the WAGO connectors before, not this particular Harbor Freight brand, and I love these things for when you need to make a quick fix or you have limited space in a junction box. So what you do is you just throw the wire in here, and then you snap this down, snap this down, snap this down, and that holds the wire in place. And you can use these for electrical repairs, but it's nice for sometimes when you don't have enough wire, or you've got not enough space to put a wire nut in, or just how the wires are twisted, it's not going to work well. These are much quicker, and then it's very easy to take the wires out. So if you've got something that's more of a temporary fix, this works great for that. So there's the 3. Let's take a look at the 2 connector. We've got a 2 connector right here, and then we've got a 5 connector right here. So there you go. These are the smallest. You could connect 2 wires to this. You can connect 3 wires to this, or 5. Now you can use the 5, which is 2 wires, but that'd be a waste of space. And you can do the same. You could connect just 2 wires to the 3, and then the 2 you can only connect 2, right? But you don't have to fill them all up, and that's what I like about these. There's so much versatility, so much quicker. Once you get used to using these, they really are such a time saver and just ease of use, as well as for making temporary connections or repairs very easy to do. And then you just click these in place, and your wires connect really well. So overall, pretty excited about these, and excited to find these at a more advantageous price than other options out there. Now that's going to fluctuate with everything, but if you compare these to more name brand wire connectors, these were definitely a deal, but they have all the same functionality. The only thing I can think about these is that they're maybe slightly deeper than the name brand ones. Like right here, this dimension is a little bit longer. But as far as everything else, they do seem to be high quality. They do seem to be good plastic. They seem to work very similar to the other name brand connectors. So thank you for watching my review of the Pittsburgh, which is a Harbor Freight brand wire connector. So these are the compact lever wire connector assortments. And a similar thing to this, if you weren't getting the Harbor Freight brand or the Pittsburgh brand wire connectors, would be WAGO wire connectors. So these are an alternative to that. And when you look at the price differential between the two, just in 2025, it's probably, these were, I would say, about 1/3 of the cost of a typical WAGO connector set that would have a similar mix of this. So overall, pretty excited with this pickup and get using them. I've just got these as my spares because I've gone through the WAGO connectors pretty fast, because once you start using these, you realize just how convenient they are, and you highly, at least me, I highly prefer these to the wire nuts. Just better connection, more secure connection, easier in junction boxes, and easier when you're going to do some work or do something temporary, or just you don't have the space for a whole bunch of different wire nuts. Especially when you're connecting like 3 wires plus, I find these are much easier than twisting up a whole bunch of 12 gauge wire, which just can be very hard to do in a wire nut. And then if you've got like 4 or 5 wires all going together, it just becomes a mess. Versus this is very clean. You can see what's going on. So thanks for watching this review of the Pittsburgh compact lever wire connectors from Harbor Freight. We'll see you next time. Please like and subscribe.